Hi, I am Harshit. Let's start with the lesson 5 and 6 of how to write effectively. Now, lesson 5 is come to the point, and lesson 6 is heading is 80% of the article. Now, I'll be doing both of these lessons together because they are linked on a very deep level. So, let's start. The normal internet user is being pulled in many different directions while he's surfing the internet. He has Facebook on one tab, YouTube on the other, and he might have other several tabs open on which he's doing something else. Now, on all these tabs, there are different ads pulling the reader in different directions. So, what is that you have to offer that will make the reader stick to your page? Here, we follow a 15-second rule. The point of your article should be clear in the first 15 seconds. Now, there are three more methods which can be used to tremendously improve the retention rate of your readers. At Bread Ninja, we'll be covering a lot of entrepreneurs who are providing solutions to the society. Now, while writing about all these entrepreneurs, we have to make sure that the solutions they're providing is very clear in the articles we write. Heading is the most important part of the article. What you have to understand is it is the heading which will decide as to how many people are reading your article. Your heading should, in an instant, make it clear as to what is that your article is offering to the readers. I'll be reiterating a bit more on the 15-second rule which we spoke about in the beginning of this video. What you really have to understand is the reader is running out of time. So we have to give the most relevant information in the beginning of the article and fill in the background information later. This is called a top-down approach. Let's take an example. We did a story on Onganic. Onganic is a startup that provides organic food. Not only does it provide organic food, but it sources it from farmers in a small village called Nadia. Let's look at what Onganic actually does. So here's the website of Onganic. Onganic sells rice, millets, flour, pulses, spices, oil, seeds, pure ghee, honey. All these things are sourced from a small village called Nadia. Now they are organizing farmers to produce organic produce. Now this is something very special they are actually doing. So for me to cover it up, I went to Organic, I had a chat with the founder, and I wrote this story which you are seeing right now. Look at the heading I have used. Organic, changing lives with organic food. Now this heading is a total representation of what Organic is doing. Now, if somebody reads it and if they are interested into organic foods, if they are interested into changing lives, they would surely click on this and open this. Once they have opened it and we are reading the article, look at the first paragraph. In the first paragraph, Ekta Jajju, educated as a filmmaker, heads Organic. Organic is an organic foods provider. What they are, I have already given to the reader. Alright, so now going ahead, I also have defined the problem they are solving in the marketplace right in the first paragraph. When I say what is produced by farmers for rupees 2 is sold to the end consumer for rupees 20, and still the farmer is in financial jeopardy. Farmers don't know the price of their produce, they wait for the market and sometimes the government's minimum support price. So, how does Organic provide the solution to the farmers? The answer is given in the second paragraph. Organic has brought together many farmers in Nadia. It sources the produce to sell under the Organic brand and hence provides the much needed reach to the market. So, anybody who wants to understand what Organic is will find out what Organic is by reading the first two paragraphs. After this, it is their choice if they want to go ahead and read the whole thing. Suppose if I had given background information in the very first paragraph, and towards the end of the article I would have mentioned what is organic, chances of the readers finding out what organic is would have been a lot lesser. So that's why you make sure that your heading represents the story. You use a top down approach wherein you mention what's really important in the first paragraph itself. And the third thing is, are you solving a problem? Yes, here you're solving a problem of the reader because he wants to find out about who is an organic player inside India.